Yes, sir. And now we're going to practice the basic jumping out in. So this is a yellow belt kick. So from this position, fighting position, strong stance. Okay, so first you have to lift your front foot. Yeah. Before you land on the floor, you have to jump right away. Targeting the face, using out in kick. So from here. And back. Okay, so again, lift from knee. Okay, then jump a little bit higher, then targeting the face, using your out in kick. And back. So from here. And back. Okay, knee up. And back. Okay. Practice it 10 times. Quick sets.